Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto Uncensored. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video we've got some really big news to dig into, all the most important news that you need to be kept up to date on. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications on YouTube so you never miss a video. And if you're watching on Twitter, do give this a like and a repost. We really do appreciate it. It helps out massively. Just gets more like-minded individuals finding the channel. So yeah, definitely do that. Much appreciated. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start here on CoinMarketCap. Now, a bit of a change. It's not $26,000 Bitcoin today. It's not 1.05 trillion like it has been the last few days, crabbing along. The total global market cap of crypto is $1.11 trillion. It's up 5.39% at the time of recording, and Bitcoin is just under $28,000 at $27,919.53. So a big move to the upside, and we'll come on to why that has happened in a moment. But X has acquired license to add crypto payments. So there's lots of really bullish news at the moment when it comes to cryptocurrency, and I think that we're going to see some pretty decent moves in the coming weeks and months. But we might retrace a little bit before we get some more news that again just puts us not in a bull market, but just in a bit of an upward, direction for the market. And I am super excited about everything that's going on with X or Twitter. I think that this is a really big deal, and I think that this platform is going to become something much bigger than it currently is. So, definitely worth keeping your eye on everything Twitter or X. 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦 and 𝗕𝗙𝗂 slumps ahead of latest crypto token unlock. So both of these projects are likely to have tokens unlocked shortly. And I think this is something that I really wanted to mention in this video that is so important to be keeping an eye on. Really important that we keep an eye on the upcoming token unlocks, because these do have the potential to move the price significantly just before the tokens are released. So just make sure that we're keeping an eye on those. Our Discord, a link is in the description of the YouTube video, but also on our main Twitter page in the bio you can see our Discord, and we give up updates on all the token unlocks down in the Discord, so go check that out. Free to join. We got Bitcoin jumps 5%, and this is because Grayscale ruling, and basically they've been in a legal battle with the SEC, and the judge has sided with Grayscale. So this is really, really positive. We could see an ETF, and obviously I guess there's a lot of speculation as to what this means for all the other players like BlackRock and ARK Invest and various others that are also looking to do Bitcoin spot ETFs. So this is why we've seen the big move to the upside. It's really interesting to see how this, has transpired, I suppose. What I would say is, quite a lot of people have been caught out when it comes to trading. There's a lot of people caught out in shorts, and obviously this is fundamental news, and it's caught a lot of people by surprise, and obviously has moved the market significantly. I think that it's really important to just remind people to make sure they have good risk management when it comes to doing their trading. Make sure that you have a tight stop loss. Make sure that you have a good understanding of what it is that you're doing. Never trade more than you're willing to lose. Again, I'm not an advocate for swing trading your main portfolio. I always have a trading bag of crypto assets that I trade with, and I keep that very much separate to my main portfolio. So I just wanted to just touch on that and just make sure people are trading safely. I think that's really important. We've got the SEC files and settles first NFT enforcement action. Again, this is really interesting because it's the first action that the SEC have taken against an NFT project. And I think that it's something that we need to be mindful of. NFTs are, not as safe as people perhaps thought they were. So, one to be aware of, the first that we've seen when it comes to NFTs. I think we could see more. So let's just be mindful of what we're seeing here. And, the first NFT as securities enforcement case is something really, really interesting. Brad Garlinghouse reveals how Ripple will celebrate its massive victory against the SEC. And basically, it saved this date in New York, 29th of September. There's going to be a massive Ripple party. And I think this is just to celebrate, obviously, the terrific victory that they've had over the SEC. I wish I could go, man. I wish I could go. We'll see. We've got Ripple makes big moves, on-demand liquidity now live in India's 50 billion remittance arena. So I think this is monstrous size Ripple news. And I think that we are seeing some really cool stuff when it comes to Ripple and, the potential price discovery that we could see for XRP in the coming years is something that, I'm really eager to see, how it sort of transpires. I do kind of expect to see some big price movements in the bull run for XRP. I think the time is, of the essence when it comes to XRP. I think that, Ripple's business has been, phenomenal. I think the fact that they've had this legal, saga going on, it hasn't really stopped them from doing some really good business around the world, seeing lots of different channels opening up around the world for remittance payments. And I think India's one is another monstrous size announcement. So super excited to see what happens. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on everything XRP, everything with the SEC. I'm super excited to see what people's thoughts and opinions are in the comments below. What I would say is do check out 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗏.io. It's our new website. We do membership. There is a 7-day free trial. You've got on-chain data metrics that you can keep an eye on, the likes of Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, and XRP, all the whales, and you can see what the wallets are doing and so on. We've got technical analysis on request in our Discord for members, and much more, 2 weekly AMAs. The list goes on. There's just lots of perks. Definitely worth checking it out. If you enjoyed today's video, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.